Hi, I'm Moriah with Smoky Mountain Home Health and Hospice. I'm a hospice nurse here. I am coming on today to tell you a little bit about my life and why I chose to do hospice as a career. My grandmother was like my best friend. She used to keep us all the time when we were little. We did a lot of craft time together, a lot of just good hanging out. So she was diagnosed with dementia when I was fairly young. Her disease really progressed when she was in her early 70s, and I was around middle school age. So that was really hard for me to accept that she was changing. Later on in her disease, we required hospice at home, and we had Smoky Mountain. And that really left an impression with me as a young teenager. I knew I kind of wanted to be a nurse, but seeing how Smoky Mountain interacted with her and treated us as a family, that really left a lasting impression on me. As a nurse now, I understand that family perspective of how that feels to feel like you're juggling everything and taking care of your loved one. My grandmother passed when I was a freshman in high school, and I'm now like a 21-year-old, and I'm working as an adult in a nurse situation. Working in a hospital was not for me because it is so transactional and so task-oriented. So I really knew that at the end of the day, hospice greatly impacted me as a person. I did a lot of thinking prior to deciding to be a hospice nurse. I knew that I wanted to be a nurse. At the end of the day, that's just who I am and what I want to do. I didn't want to just choose any hospice company. I wanted to choose a hospice company that aligned with my values as a person. So I remembered Smoky Mountain from working, of course, with my family, and I loved them, all of them, and I never forgot them. Everybody here treats everybody equally and like family. That is, at the end of the day, what we all want and desire when we're looking for a place to work. So as a nurse, it's really important to me is how well you treat your patients, but not only that, how well you treat your coworkers. Smoky Mountain is very good about wanting to help you be the best that you can be. That's another reason why Smoky Mountain is such a great company to work for. So if you really want that change in pace and change in environment, I would really want to encourage you to apply to Smoky Mountain because it could be life-changing for you as it was for me.